Mhm. Waiting for it. Oh, we're live. It says it right there, 10:01. We're live.
Perfect.
All right. Hey everyone, welcome to another Webflow Workshop. I'm your host Nelson. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm excited. Had an idea over the week, and I wanted to show the speed of which you can use Webflow once you've mastered it, or at least get a grasp over how all the elements and how everything works in the styles panel and all that stuff. And I wanted to do it in a fun way, and so I thought, do a live design challenge. Now, if you were part of the community, say a year ago, you've probably seen that I've done like one or two or three design challenges where I let you guys build something and then wait 2 weeks for you guys to build it, and then we judge, the community experts judge it. Well, this time we're gonna do it live and make it faster. All right. Now, before I get deeper into how we're going to do this, I want to say thank you to everyone who's in the live chat room right now. Oh, we have a lot of people now. The early birds. Hello to Jorn, early bird. Who else was here early? Brian, Ethan. Let's see here. Bartosz, obviously. Anna. So, Saish, I think you're new here. Phil, I think you're new. 42 Papyrus, I think we've seen you before. Sean, hello again. Zebra, welcome. Let me make you a moderator quick because you are a. There we go. You are a community expert volunteer. Thank you so much. Ja, Alexandra. Hey, Alexandra's back. Awesome. Scott, Ina, Dirin, and Baruch. Yeah, first timer, newbie to development. Really like your tutorials. I'm learning a lot. Yes, learning. That's all. That's why we're here. That's why I love doing these workshops. And that's why the community is here. If you want to join the community, forum.webflow.com. Everyone's learning. So, yes. Okay, that's a lot of people, and a lot of people are still chiming in, so thank you. What are we doing? So the live design challenge, we have 3 contestants, okay? And I'm just going to introduce them right now. We have Riley. Hi, Riley.
Hey guys.
How long have you been working on Webflow?
I would say almost a year now. I started learning it this previous summer,
Oh,
and
nice.
I'm still just diving into it and always seeing like more and more changes come to it. But yeah, it's been fun.
Nice, nice. And Riley is from St. Louis, and then we also have from Germany, Marius.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. How long have you been using Webflow?
Yeah, I use Webflow for a year now,
Okay.
so not a long time, but I learned a lot in this time. So, and hello to the community.
Oh, look at the love. Hey, Valentine's Day. Hello. Awesome. And also we have Blaise from France.
Yeah, hi guys.
Hello. Hello. How long you been working with Webflow?
Yeah, about 1 year too. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we're all 1 year to 2 years. That's awesome. Awesome. I know all 3 of you have been active in the live chat room during the Webflow workshop and very active on the forum. So thank you so much for helping with this experiment, and hopefully it goes well. Thank you for helping the community on forum.webflow.com. Um, uh, okay, there we go. So how are we gonna do this? Our 3 contestants are going to do 3 tasks. Okay, the first 2 are going to be fairly easy, and the third one is going to be a little bit harder. After each task, I'm going to put a straw poll link in the live chat room where everyone in the live chat room can vote for their favorite based on who is able to complete the task as best they could. So after I give the first task, the contestants will have about 5 minutes to complete it, and after that 5 minutes, I'm going to tell them to stop, and then you guys can vote for the ones that's best. And I'm going to switch between their screens, so they're going to be streaming their screens, and we're going to see how each one of them are doing during the challenge. So I'm excited. You guys excited? Nervous?
Yeah.
Ready to go.
Bit.
All right, all right. Without further ado, let's get into it. Go ahead and get your first blank page, or actually start streaming your screen. So go ahead and share your screens. Okay, so here we go. Who's this? So this is Riley's screen. This is Marius, and this is Blaise. Oh, Blaise, you might want to stop the stream on YouTube so you don't get the feedback. Yeah, there we go. All right, cool. So once you have Webflow open, I'm going to tell you guys your first task. All right. All right, looks like everyone's ready. All right, let me get a timer up on my phone. Good luck to you three. Where's my clock app? Okay, there we go. Have a timer. Gonna set it to... Nope, that's stopwatch. Ah, timer. Come on. Do I know how to use... What? How do I even use this thing? Oh, there we go. 5 minutes. All right. Putting 5 minutes on the clock right there and showing on my screen. And the first task will be make, as best you can, a looping bouncing ball. Go.
Okay.
Looping bouncing ball. And so what I'm expecting to see is all three of them create some sort of CSS transform where they can make the ball loop and it's always bouncing. And so we see Riley's screen. He's using layout. Okay. He's already go ahead and okay, he's made the ball. We have Marius working on his right there. Okay. So this is Blaise's screen right here. All right. All right. Alexander says Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to you too. All right, we got Blaise has his blue ball there. Nice. Blaise is opting for interactions. We got Marius with his div. All right. You got this, Riley. All right. Marius going for the interaction as well. Right. How are we going to make this ball bounce? Okay, Blaise is working on his transforms. All right. Brian saying so much for starting with the easy stuff first. I thought it was easy. I mean, I don't think it would be a challenge if I said drag an image on the canvas. All right. All right, good job. Riley's in the interactions. Okay. Awesome. Marius is playing with the skew. I like that. Okay, what's Blaise doing? Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Here's the timer so far. And 2 minutes 30 seconds left. Marius with a pink ball and scaling it. Nice. Really excited to see what goes on here. Mm-hmm. Dwayne, you missed the rule. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to make a bouncing ball and making that bouncing ball loop. Okay? And once they are done, once the 5 minutes are done, I'll tell them to stop. And the live chat room can vote on who completed the task as best they could. And you would vote for who did it the best. Okay, I see some movement here with Marius. Awesome.
So Yeah, now I understand it. So
Let's see here. Oh, we got some movement with Blaise. All right.
that's, but it's not that good.
Okay.
Hmm.
All right. Okay. Let's see here. Does the ball have to squash on impact? That's up to the contestants if they want to do a squash. It's they're trying to please you, the live chat. Baruch saying is, man, this is awesome. Webflow's the best. I was using Wix and left it to learn this amazing development tool. Well, welcome to the community. Riley has a somewhat bouncing effect. Okay, Marius is going for a different ease. Right. Let's see here. Okay. It'd be cool to see the Webflow versus code. I thought about that, and maybe in the future workshop I can do that, but I would need to find a coder, someone who's really development focused to go on a stream with me. Zebra is saying ease is good on this one. Inertia. It's a good thought. Okay. And it looks like Blaise is done because he's watching the stream. Oh, hands up, we're done. Okay, please. Let's see, go on the preview mode and let's see what it looks like. All right. So this is Riley's. Let me go ahead and put the link in. Go ahead and vote there. And here, I'll put it in here too in the chat room. So go ahead and get the link and go ahead and start voting. That's Riley's bouncing ball. Here's Marius. And here's Blaise. And if you guys can go ahead and publish it, and then put the link in the Google Hangouts so that way I can see a real frame rate. Okay, let's see here. So this is Blaise right here. Let's see. Oh, okay. I can see some easing right there. Nice. And then let's go ahead and what's the other one? Here's Riley's. Oh, okay. He used a different easing. That one looks like someone's actually dribbling it. That one. Okay, and so let's go ahead and Marius. Okay, he's using ease on both ends. Okay. That's interesting. So here we go again. This is Blaise. This is Riley. And this is Marius. Okay, so let's see on the straw poll. I think we gave it enough time on the straw poll. Let's click on results. Live results so far. 50. Okay. Oh, okay. Up, here we go. Marius, at least vote for yourself. there it goes.
I'm too
I
slow.
forgot we could vote.
All right.
I'm too slow.
All right. All right.
Okay. Understand.
All right. 20 votes. I think that's it. 13 votes for Riley, 4 and 4 for Blaise and Marius. So we're gonna give that one to Riley. Great job.
Congrats.
Congrats to Riley. All right. Well, that was fun. Okay, let's go for another one. All right. Now we understand how this is working. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Let me close these up. Actually, I'm going to leave those up so I can refer to them later. All right. Next one. I gave you all a heart SVG.
Yeah.
So with that heart SVG, I will give you 5 minutes. And it's just like the ball one, okay? I'll give you guys 5 minutes to make your best rendition of a beating heart. And go. So 5 minutes on the clock. This one should be a bit easier, but we'll see. If you have extra time, add some flair to it. Add some extra pizzazz to wow the live chat. Okay. And let me go ahead and put the links in the chat room real quick. Right there, and right there. That way the live chat room can follow along. Okay. So we got Blaise using background image. Marius is using inline image, and Riley is using inline image as well. Okay, a beating heart. All right. What is the next one I missed? Zebra. This challenge is making a beating heart. Because it's Valentine's Day, and we all should spread love. Yay! Okay.
Okay, I don't understand why it's not.
There we go. We have some movement on Blaise's side. Okay.
Don't know.
Marius.
It's not working.
No, you can do it!
I don't know. Scale? Okay. Scale. Now it's good.
There we go. Using scale? Alright. Alright, let's see what Riley's doing. Okay. Riley's using scale as well. Alright, we're having a different ease. I kind of understand. I feel like it's hard to understand which ease is the right one to use, and honestly, it's hard to understand which one to use when you have just a drop-down list. And so, to all the live chat people, it's always nice to have some sort of cheat sheet. There's like a cheat sheet you can find for easing. You can see the different rates, the speeds at which they go. Okay, awesome. You have 2 minutes, 15 seconds left. Right there. Just hold it right here. Okay, so we got Blaise adding some pizzazz. He added a text block inside of the div. What can he do with 1 minute 50 seconds to go? Well, lots of scaling right here. All right. Interesting. Up. Happy Valentine's Day. Nice. Who will win the live chat's heart? Get it? Oh, okay. I'll stop. Alright. We got love overlaid on top. Nice. Looks like Riley is trying to do some rotation. I think.
Oh, there it is.
Okay. I see what you were going for, Riley.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. All right. And Blaise is watching the other people. You got 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Here we go. Okay, Riley's adding some finishing touches here. Alright. And we got a 404 error. Alright, looks like Marius is done. Looks like all three are done. With 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, go ahead and post your links. Oh, okay, you already posted the links. Wow, you guys are fast. All right, let's see. We're gonna start with Marius first. All right, so here's Marius. Whoa, boom, boom,
Oh, sorry. Yeah. You see it?
boom, boom. No, I'm showing it on my screen, so
Okay.
you're good. I'm showing your published one. Wow,
Okay.
that was quick. I like that one. Okay, let's see. Blaise, let's see what you got. Ooh, a nice slower pace. I like that. All right, Riley, did you publish your page? Yep, there it is. Go ahead and paste it in. Let's see what you got here. All right. Awesome. Okay, so that's Riley's. Let me go and put the poll up. And there we go. So I'm gonna flip between the two, and we'll let everyone vote for a minute. And let me put it in the Google Hangouts. There we go. And you guys can vote for yourself. So let's go look at them again. We got Blaise. We got Marius. I wonder who's gonna. You all three are quite similar. It's just that Marius has that. It really seems faster than both of them, the other ones. So.
This is why I'm so nervous. That's my actual heart rate.
That's your actual heart. Okay. Nice.
Accurate.
So if that's Marius's heart and this is Blaise's heart, he's chill, you know. And then okay, now I can see it. Riley's heart is like right in between the two speeds. I like that. All right, that should be enough time for the poll. Let's go ahead and view results. Live results. Here we go. Oh, okay. Oh, we got so far. We have 13 votes in Marius. Okay, 10 votes Marius. 12 votes Marius. 2 and 2 Riley and Blaise. All right. Oh, 3 votes Blaise.
No.
All right. Well, seems like this is Marius's round.
Well done.
Well,
Thanks.
done. Okay.
Fun.
All right. Now, this one is going to take a little bit longer than 5 minutes. I'm going to give you, since it's 10:23, I think I can give you guys, let's go ahead and give you guys 15 minutes. 15 minutes to accomplish the last task. Now, I've already told this task to the contestants before we streamed. And the task is to, don't start yet, but the task is to recreate as best they can. You don't have to put all the links. You can go with the, simple links, okay, for the nav bar. You don't have to put all the buttons, but it's whatever you can complete within 15 minutes recreating the Tesla.com homepage. And let me show the stream. Let me show the live stream chat room what it looks like right now. Okay, and so you have a background video, a top nav bar, 3 call to action buttons, a H1 and a H2, and then you have some footer links. Now, before the stream, I already gave the Tesla logo at the top left and the background video file to the contestants. And just to make things more fair, I let them all upload it beforehand. Okay? So when I say go, the task is to recreate this as best you can. And what I'm looking for is a top nav bar, the background video, and the center, the call to action content in the center of the page. Now, if you have time, footer links would be awesome as well. But this is all up to you. And again, you don't have to put everything, just put the basics. All right? So you have, let me set this up for 15 minutes. All right, 1500. Ready? Get your Webflow pages up. Okay, I see everyone has a Webflow page up. Okay, ready and go. So 15 minutes on the clock, recreating Tesla.com. Now, the reason why I chose this is because for some reason, the Tesla workshop is the highest, it's the most watched workshop out of all the workshops that we've done. It's the most watched, and so I guess a lot of people like seeing a simple homepage redesigned, and Tesla is a great homepage in my opinion, but then again, we all know I'm a Tesla fanboy. Anyways, here we go. We're gonna look at Blaise's screen. Okay, awesome. He dragged in a nav bar component. Great. All right. And he's setting that up right now, adding a class. Let's go to Marius. All right. Okay, Marius is starting with the footer. Okay, nice. Oh, and he's, looks like with the Flex Child settings is showing up here. That means he's using Flexbox. Nice. Let's go to Riley. Riley went straight for the nav bar, and he's uploading the Tesla logo. Really good, really good. So, in my opinion, 15 minutes is not a lot of time. And so this is really, really tough. And so you got to hand it to these three contestants for actually trying this. So whatever they create, I'm super happy that they're doing it and showing the speed of what you can do on Webflow. Okay, so this is Riley's screen right here. He's making 3 links at the top nav bar. Brian says Tesla, Star Wars, Legos. The fanboy list for you goes on and on. Don't forget, Webflow fanboy. Since August 2013. Going back to Marius. Okay, awesome. Marius has decided to create the nav bar on his own rather than using the nav component. That makes it different. All right, so we have the nav bar links at the top for Blaise. Okay, and for the stream, here we go. Note to self, next live challenge, maybe some background music. And I'll mute it for the guys so they don't hear me. There. Put myself on mute, but you, the stream, can still hear me. Okay, so that's Blaise's screen. Let's see what Marius is doing. Okay, so Marius, I'm very interested. So the contestants can't hear me right now. I'm very interested as to why Marius wanted to create the nav bar on his own or without using the pre-made nav bar component. But again, to each their own. I think it would have been faster. But, yeah, let's see what he can finish up. And Riley is trying to go verbatim. I told them not to put all the links. But it looks like Riley's going for it. Riley is putting as many links as he can. And, okay, he's opting to use Flexbox in his navbar. Now, there is a problem with using the pre-made navbar component with Flexbox because there's a hidden third element. And it's the hamburger icon. And the hamburger icon is hidden, but when you put flex and you try to space them out to the edges, they won't completely go to the edges. Flexbox will think there's 3 elements, and so it spaces those 3 elements out. So again, it kind of gets confusing, but I commend Riley for trying it. Let's see here. Throw up some house music. Let me see. I love proximity, so I'm just gonna throw it up on. Yeah, let me go to YouTube, youtube.com/proximity. Let me play all. There's this one song I like.
I used to believe.
Nope, not that one. Nope, not that one. No. I'll get back to the stream. Hold on, guys. Okay, there we go. Cool. I like this one. Alright, back to the stream. I just need to make it softer. Right there. Okay. And back. Oh, wow. That actually looks good. He is doing an awesome job. He still has 9 minutes, 25 seconds to go. I think he's going to do well. We got Blaise right here. Minutes, 50 seconds. You guys got this. All three of you are doing very well. It's neck and neck. Alright, put myself back on mute. Alright, can you guys hear me? Much better? Okay, cool. Sorry, guys. Alright, so we have Blaise, who is getting on H2. He's really doing well. We got Marius, and it's looking really good right now. Now he's on the buttons. And they still have 6 minutes and 50 seconds to go. I'm loving it. Okay, we got Riley. Riley figured out. There we go. Riley figured it out. Okay. Riley needs to catch up. Because we have Marius and Blaise already. Here's Marius right here. He's already on the first button. And he's adding transforms. Look at that. Is he going to add a hover? Oh, he already added a hover. You can tell because the states right here has a blue dot. Alright. Blaise. Starting on his buttons right now. Nice. Gonna go to Riley. Oh, come on, Riley! Riley's confused right now. Oh. Let's see here. Everyone's a critic. Okay, Blaise working on his button. Okay, adding some padding. Nice. That. Okay, cool. All caps right here. Right, what is he gonna do here? 5 minutes, 40 seconds. Let's see what Marius is doing. Wow, Marius! Marius is already on the footer. Riley, okay, Riley is working on his H1. Alright, he's moving on. Alright, let's see here. Marius is moving on. Okay, got the first text link. Okay, that's the copyright stuff right there. Dragging in another one. Look at that. All right, Blaise, how do we hover? Is it not? How do you pronounce hover? Oh, yeah. Hover. Hover? No, someone's saying I pronounce Americans pronounce hover weird. Yeah, we pronounce everything weird, you know. Like I've been to London, and you don't ask where is the restroom or where's the bathroom. They say where's the toilet, and I was like, that makes more sense. You're not trying to rest in the room. You're not taking a bath in the room. You just need to use the toilet. Yeah, Americans. Alright, so we're following Blaise right here. And looks like Blaise is starting on his footer. Marius is... Let me call it out to the guys. 3 minutes, 50 seconds. I'm going back to... Okay, so Riley is starting on his buttons right now. If he wants to make this faster, I would say click on... I would hope he would click on the background video, or no, this whole section right here, and just give it a color of white, the text color of white. So that way, all the text inside of it will become white, so he doesn't have to apply white to each text block. Let's see here. Okay, we're at 3 minutes. Okay, Marius is now just putting some finishing touches. He's making them bold. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's see what Blaise is doing. Okay, Blaise needs to make all electric all-wheel drive right here. He needs to make that white. Come on, make it white. What is he working on right now? Yeah, this is a hard task. And the fact that all three of them are blazing through it. Get it? Blaise. Blazing through it. Okay, let's see here. Using a text block. So Riley is opting for a text block instead of a button. Alright. I'm gonna give him a 2-minute warning in 15 seconds. Here's the timer. Ania, you're funny. Alright. 2-minute warning. 2-minute warning. Marius is right here. Looks like Marius is done. We got Blaise, and he's starting on his footer. Riley is... Okay, there we go. He's making white. Right. You can take that one, and that one should be white as well. Go ahead and make it white. There we go. Nice. Nice. He's doing well. All right. He caught up. All right. And I saw Marius. He was checking out the stream. Seeing what everyone else has done, but it looks like he is done. We got 1 minute left. There we go. And 1 minute left. 1 minute. So we go to Blaise, and he's working on the footer links. All right. Riley is going back to his nav bar. Okay, is he gonna make it white? He's gonna make his links white. Okay, he's reordering his links. Not sure what he's doing. You got this, buddy. Come on. He's trying to figure out Flexbox for this one. Okay. Inspector tool, not editing code per se. Yeah. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right. Wow. Go ahead and publish and put the link in the chat room. You three did wonderful. Everyone in the chat room, please put some heart emoji tags. Or is there clapping? Let's see here. Yep, there's clap. There's do a colon and start typing clap, and you'll get the clapping emoji. But yes, all three contestants did a wonderful job. This was fun to watch. Just the speed at all three of you were working on this. My gosh, that was amazing. Let's see here. Let's see here. We got the links here. All right, we're gonna start off with Riley's. Riley, did you? Oh, there we go. Riley's homepage right here. So again, the task was create as best you can within 15 minutes the Tesla.com homepage, and this is the Tesla.com homepage right here. This is the official one. Okay, so you have a top nav bar, you have some content in the center, and then you have a bottom footer and a background video. All right. And this is Riley's rendition. So Riley, talk to me. I noticed that you're getting a little bit confused with the top nav bar, correct?
Yes.
So when I had my mic on mute and I was talking to the live stream and doing some live commentary, I was like, please, you'll figure it out. It's position fixed is what you're looking for.
It got me caught up because I used the menu component, and I was trying to just mess with it, and it was a mess.
Yeah. But hey, great job. You did your best. And yeah, you've got really far in the design. So great job.
Thanks.
Let's go to Blaise. Okay. Oh, here we go. Come on, Blaise. There we go. So Blaise got as far as the footer nav, and was there any parts that tripped you up? I noticed that Blaise, you went for the nav bar component. Did that help with the speed?
Not really, but it was really hard because it's too fast for me.
Yeah.
And take my time, and I have to think about it, and
it's a tough challenge, and to get to where you are in the challenge, it's really, really good what you've done.
Thank you very much.
And I told the live chat that while I was on mute for you guys, I said you don't have to put all the links, but all three of you went for it. You actually went for all of the links at the top. I was only expecting 3 links at the top, and just going to the next thing, but all three of you, wow, you went for it. And we got Marius right here. All right. And let's see here. This one works. And let me put the poll in the chat room and also put the poll in here. But as we were looking at Marius, you got this done really fast.
It's ready to sell.
You're ready to sell. Okay. Call up Elon and say, hey, here's your homepage, done in Webflow. Where's my money? No. And you even put a flag in there. You put the word flag in the bottom. And let me post
From
these
the Great
links.
Again country.
Let me post these links in the chat room. This is Blaise right here. All right, this is Riley. Oh, there you go. And then here's Marius. You guys were awesome. This was... How did you guys... While we're waiting for the voting results, how did you guys feel doing this? Was it fun? Was it tough?
Yeah, it was... I think it was very fun. So The first competition was hard because it's not easy to get into such a challenge. But yeah, then it was a lot of fun. Yeah.
Nice. Would you do this again in the future? Like, say we have so many design challenges that next year I asked you to be back.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, Riley would be back too. Blaise, would you be back?
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome. And to the live chat room, if you want to join in our next design challenge, please send me a private message on the forums and let me know. This is fun. Let's go ahead and look at the poll. All right, let's put this here. Nope. Oop, there's a heart. Let's do this again. How come that's not working? There we go. Okay. Results. Whoa! 100% on Marius.
Oh.
Well then, we know who won that one. So Marius, you took first place, so your next month of Webflow is on me.
Wow. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Great.
No problem. Riley, I'm gonna give you and Blaise some credits on your account as well. So you're not going home. Well, you're already home. You're not going away empty-handed. Want to just thank you for your time. Thank you for joining in this experiment. It's I think it was fun, and it seems like the live chat had a good time watching, and I hope everyone has learned something. I'm gonna do my regular segment of regular questions, but as I do that, thank you to Blaise. Let's get some more clapping icons, emojis. So thank you to Blaise, Marius, and Riley. Is there Blaise? Where can people find more information about you and your work?
Well, I'm trying to do my own business at the moment, so I'm still learning, and people can ask help for me, but I will not ask for money or something. I'm just a beginner, so yeah.
Oh wow, you're a beginner, but you've done so much so far on this challenge.
It's especially Webflow. I'm in love with Webflow, and yeah.
Yes. All right. Cool. Marius, is there anything? Okay, there you go. You wrote your domain name. Go ahead and spell it out so I can put it on the forum post as well as the live chat room.
Yeah. What was the last?
Can you spell it out so we can?
Yeah.
So I can put...
It's mariusjurtz.com. It's just my name and .com. It's
how do you spell
simple.
that last name?
Jurtz. Jurtz.
Okay, cool. Let me put that in the chat room and make a note of it. Awesome. And Riley, anything you want to, shout out? You want to say hello, or if you want to say what your website's at, or if you want to say your Twitter handle, where can people find you? Oh, you're muted. No.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. You can find me on my website, RileyJonesDesign.com.
RileyJonesDesign.com. Okay.
Yeah, and then Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, RileyJ_S.
RileyJ_S. Okay. Well, cool. Thank you guys so much. I will be talking to you through the forums. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Nelson.
All right, no
Have a nice
problem.
day.
You too.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.
See you guys.
All right, so that was a challenge. That was fun, and yeah. I think we're gonna do that again. Let's do that monthly. Let's do that. I think it's so much fun to have more interactive streams. Because the speed of which you can build stuff on Webflow just boggles my mind. And so seeing those three contestants, Riley, Blaise, and Marius, just work through that stuff. I mean, if you can imagine hand coding that, You can't do it in 15 minutes. So yeah, thank you for them. Now this is the segment. I'm gonna take, say, 3 questions and 3 links. So 3 questions to answer anything about Webflow or web design, and 3 links if you're working on something. Put your webflow.io link in the live chat room, and we'll do a quick UX overview of it. And yeah, let's answer some questions. Okay, Riley, I can breathe now. I'm glad you can breathe now. Yay. Here we go. Let's see here. Heart symbol, make sure. Great job. Yes, great job to all 3 of them. Nelson, do you have an Instagram? Yes, find me on Instagram, PXLGK. Webflame, ZT Philly. What are you working on? Alright. ZT Philly. Zero tolerance, the escape. Philly's most... Is it going to scare me? I'm waiting for something to pop out. Come on, Webflame. What's happening? Nothing's moving. Or maybe that's the effect. Nothing happens, but you expect something to happen. Now it's playing with my mind. Oh, cool. You put a blur effect here. And I'm not going to put it in my headphones. Alright. I like that blur effect. Good job. Okay, if that's it. No jump scares, Nelson. Or are you playing with my mind with that? I'm just going to leave my headphones off. Yes. Alright. Let's see here. My first site built with Webflow. Well, Phil, welcome to the community. Alright, let's see what your game ready baseball. Awesome. Okay, one thing. So I like this. I like this so far. The hero row really explains what you're selling. However, why the margins? I would, not sure why you need the margins. Just go full width. Let it flow all the way to the edges. Nothing should contain your site except for the browser. Okay, maybe these could be bigger? I don't know. The logo is very low res. You might want to get a higher res logo. And then, not sure why you opted for red on blue. It's kind of hard on the eyes. So careful with the red on blue current state. Okay, change it to a different color rather than red. Okay. I like this. This is nice. This flows nicely. Okay, you need more padding with these guys right here. It just seems really close to the edges. Okay, and then we're at the end. Yeah. I'm not sure if you need this bottom gradient. I don't think that's really needed. That adds nothing, no visual information to the user. Okay. Time to learn Webflow today. Yes, learn Webflow. It's fun. That was fun. Yes, Blaise, it was fun. Thank you again. How does Webflow compare to Pinegrow? Just try it yourself. Go to webflow.com, create a free account, and just play around with our designer tool, and then compare that with Pinegrow. But I know that Pinegrow uses WordPress, and so when it comes to WordPress, I always say 3 things. One is the servers. On Webflow, you have Amazon and Fastly servers working for you, and you don't have to set that up. It's already working for you immediately after you press the publish button. The second thing is WordPress relies on these plugins that add bloated code, and when you have bloated code, your sites load slower. And if there's a new framework that WordPress makes you install on your servers, then hopefully those don't break the plugins. Okay, and then the last thing is the CMS, and that's one that you have to actually experience to see and believe, because you can actually have your clients edit on the page, so what they see is really what they get. Let's see here. Saish, I'm not gonna look at your cool webs. because it's not a webflow.io link. So please repost that as a webflow.io link. Let's see here. Gerard, can you talk about your design process? Yes, real quickly, Gerard. Great question. I usually start out with a creative brief or some sort of strategy. Then after that, gather all the assets from the client and then make a wireframe. After wireframe, it's a toss-up between, do they need a static mock or can I go straight into Webflow? And what I love to do is just go straight into Webflow. And then after I go into Webflow and design it, I send a interactive mock, one that the client can actually play with. Because on a static mock, you can't hover over things, you can't click on anything, everything is just flat. So with interactive mock with a Webflow link, you can send that off to the client, have them approve it, and once they approve it, all you have to do is press publish, because all the prefixes to make sure that it's cross-browser compatible and make sure that it's responsive, it's all done for you on the Webflow platform as long as you designed it correctly inside of Webflow. All right, so that's my design process. It's really straightforward. Yeah. Honorable.webflow.io. What are you working on, Ania? Okay. Gateway time. Oh, wait, no, I have to take out the slash. There we go. Oh. I like custom illustrations. This is nice and clean. Oh, I can click English. Nice. Why should I create a profile? I'm confused as to what honorable is. Right now you're saying, right here, this headline is saying that I already know what honorable is and why I should create a profile. Maybe you should explain in 2 quick sentences or less what honorable is. Okay? The way we support volunteers by offering a beautiful website where their voices can be heard. These 2 lines could be shortened in a way that explains what honorable is, and then why should I create a profile should be right under that. All right, so right here I'm confused, but if you flip that in your copy, I think that would help. But yeah, I like this. This red icon doesn't really fit in with the colors here, so you might want to make sure that the colors are. I'm not sure why you chose red, because it doesn't fit. But then again, it's your own personal choice, and maybe I'm missing something. But I love how clean it is, and the form, that's really clean. I like that. All right. Let's see here. Whoa, I'm missing a lot of links. Okay, honorable. Okay. How can I post a link? There we go. Dwayne. Okay, last link. Okay. And remember, just come back next week if I'm not looking at your link. Something's hidden in me here. Might want to fix that. There's some text hidden behind here. Okay. Very simple. Yeah, I like how empowering minds, the word minds is called out in a different color. That's nice. If I click this, nothing happens. Okay, so it's still work in progress. Okay, let me check one more link for Ethan. Okay. Oops. IO.